Edisi Chongmari 2021 Tipra Mothabai TSP INPT Alliance ngei Thansani khorang tisalai keplai ingkha bobagra product Kisur Debormani Tipra Motha Thangnai 20th April 2021 Nuai Holo Executive Members Trokno Smai Tangjakha Khoroksa CEM Tai 7 Executive Members Trok Smai Tangjakha Faidi Singtabuk Nailainai Bu Department Saboto Chongwi Jakha Puila Nailainai Sri Purnachandra Jomatia Chief Executive Member Boro Department Chongjakha General Administration Finance Law Planning Development including RD Forest Science Technology and Environment Cooperative ICAT Te Joto Policy Juda Executive Members Rokno Bagzai Rokno Bo Bobanyo Naikul Jaknai Second number Sri Onimesh Dev Burma Executive Member Bono Department Chongjakha Agriculture and Horticulture Industries Tribal Welfare Sri Chittaranjan Dev Burma Executive Member Bono Department Chongjakha Education Dai PWD Sri Komal Koloi Executive Member Bono Department Chongjakha ARDD Eba Animal Resource Development Omongkha Kaisa Malmata Bedek Tai Bono Bogjakha Health Sakham Bedek Sri Babaranjan Riang Executive Member Bono Department Chongjakha LRS Eba Land Record Settlement Sri Moti Doli Riang Executive Member Bono Department Chongjakha Social Welfare and Social Education Sri Rajesh Tripura Executive Member Bono Department Chongjakha Fisheries Sri Suhel Dev Burma Executive Member Bono Department Chongjakha Sports and Youth Affairs Tibo Kedal Kedal Koktuma The latest updates rock Manani Bagai Naitongdi borokpost.com